Hello everyone, and this week we are in Disneyland in California. It's our first time here, and we are staying at the Pier Hotel, and we're going to take a quick look around. So it's Halloween time right now, and they have the outside and the lobby kind of dressed up as Ursula. So usually they have a Goofy statue. It's Goofy at the beach, but they took him out, and now the hotel is in the Halloween spirit. So there is a gift shop called Mickey in Paradise, and you can go there and pick up any stuff you didn't get at the parks, or if there's any soda, drinks, any snacks, you can also get it there. There's also a few dining options, but those right now are still closed. So the elevators here are really different and cool. You select what floor you're on. We're on floor 12. And so it actually assigns an elevator to you. So we are going to go to elevator A, and from there it will take us to floor 12. So it actually saves a lot of time. Okay guys, we are staying in a 2-bed premium view room, and it is completely worth it. Let me show you the view from this room. Look at this. You have the Incredicoaster, Mickey's Funny Wheel, all of DCA, and then when you move over here, you can see Space Mountain, Matterhorn, you have the Grand Californian right there. Completely worth it for this view. This is awesome. So when you walk in on your right, you have the bathroom, which is just a standard bathroom. You do, though, still get these. Now Disney World, they switched them over to the containers. You still get the little tubes of it, so that's awesome. Some of those will be coming home with me. Exit, and you have a really big closet. This little area for tea and coffee. And we got a 2-bed. And I really love this poster. I wish I sold it. You got the entertainment stand with a decent sized TV and a cute little Mickey Mouse up here. Got some more artwork, got a couch and a desk. We also have a safe if you want to lock up your valuables, and a little fridge where Andrew is putting all of our soda and water. Anything you want to add?
A nice, convenient, cold